Hey gang, it is Monday, February 4th, 2019, and this video is going to be a little different today. I'm going down to Zebulon, Georgia to see Tim at Southern Blasting and Coatings, and I'm going to have him take care of a few small pieces that I missed for the Brooklyn Pony. While I'm there, I may do a little filming, if it's okay with him, just to show you the place. And then from there, I'm going to Dana's house. Dana has a 68 coupe that he's rebuilding, and we've communicated for a few years now on this project and some things that he's done, and he needs a little help. He's having trouble with some fitment of some panels. Obviously that's always a problem, and he's reached out to me for some help, and since I'm in that area, I'll go ahead and stop in at his place and see if I can't lend him a hand or give him some advice. And if you recall, this is the bumper that I had powder coated by Tim. It's holding up great. I'm very happy with it. And so I'm going to get more work done by him later on in the future, and looking forward to that as well. So let's take a road trip. I'm about to film a little segment, and this buck just decided to run across my yard. Coming into downtown Zebulon. Don't blink.
In 1,000 feet, turn left on Mansfield Street, then turn right.
Left.
Turn right on Mansfield Street.
Slide over to the right.
You arrived at your destination.
Sign. I'm going to come all the way down to the end here. Alright, let's go in and talk to Tim. Or we'll look around a little bit and see some of his stuff he has going on. He's not in the office, but that's okay. Now Tim is a Chevelle guy. Well, actually he's a car guy. So I want to show you this Chevelle that he's building. This is a 1970 Chevelle, or at least the frame of it. And this thing is going to be cool as can be. It looks like he's had it fired up a little bit. Super cool car. Man, built himself a little test panel there. That's cool. Oh, it's got a fit tech on it. Tim's pretty nice guy. Got a big shop here, and we'll go in the back here where they do all the powder coating. So you can see here we've got a big frame of some sort, so they can handle some serious stuff. Prep work here. other items. Some really big panels. More projects waiting. I'm going to show you the body of this Chevelle that he's doing. Now he's using all GM sheet metal on his car, original stuff that he can. Now the floor is obviously not original because you can't buy those pieces, so this is aftermarket. But all these panels that are on the car, these quarters, these are OE GM panels. He wants his car as much original as he can get it. So he's spending the money he needs to get these pieces right. It's going to be a sweet ride when he's done with it. You want to say hi to him?
Hey, how you doing?
I was just showing him your Chevelle, and I know you said it's all original sheet metal, or you're going with original sheet metal?
Most all outside skin is all original GM NOS sheet metal.
Okay.
About 3 years in the finals.
Yep.
Thanks to Craigslist and eBay.
But the floor pan is aftermarket?
Floor pans, trunk pans, inner skins, of course, are aftermarket. Quarters, deck lid, door skins, hood is all NOS GM metal.
All right. And you said that is that an SS car, original SS?
It is a Canadian-built SS 396 4-speed car, which is being upgraded to a 496 5-speed car with an original LS6 block that was also purchased.
Yeah, I showed the video your setup, the frame and stuff back there. I like your little test panel.
Yeah, some mild modifications and things, but you know, not much for a street car, but it's going to be a nice ride.
And what colors are going to be?
That's still debatable. It was originally, of course, cranberry red, black stripes with black vinyl top, losing sleep over colors, Cortez silver with black stripes, black with white stripes. We don't know. When the day comes, we'll figure it out.
Well, either way, I know it's going to be nice.
I hope so. Long time project though.
Sure.
Taking a while.
Yep. Now I was just showing all these other projects. I see you've got a big, looks like a frame for something over here.
Fertilizer spreader trailer. We do quite a few of those a year for a local company.
All right.
So repeat work, like most of the stuff that we do is commercial.
And then what is this panel here?
This is actually a Gardner Denver air compressor base.
Oh. All right. Yeah. But you can handle just about anything.
Well, if it'll fit in a 8 by 20 foot hole, we can just about do it.
Cool. All right. Like I said, thanks for your help on these parts, and let me know when they're ready to go, and I'll come back down and pick them up.
I appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
Yep. All right, so I'm at Dana's house, and he's working on a 68 coupe that he's had for quite a while, and you can see he's putting on quarters, firewall, cowl, floor pan, all pretty common for these cars to have rust issues, and he's tackling it by replacing all that bad stuff. And he's already done some work on the rear, got the drop off pans in place, has new inner and outer wheel houses, again another quarter on this side, various pieces and parts and I'm going to talk to Dana. How you doing?
Hey YouTube, how y'all doing? How you doing, Barry? Thanks for coming by.
Sure.
Thanks for coming by.
Yep.
Thanks for had to get him over here to help me. I watched his YouTube videos, so we had to see what he could offer some advice for me.
Yeah. He's having some trouble making these quarters fit. Everything. You know, it's always a challenge whenever you have these panels that are questionable. You know, some of them are perfect, some aren't, and unfortunately, you just have to work with it. And I've shown this in the Jade videos, some of the custom cutting and different fitting, and he'll end up having to do some of that as well. But hopefully, I get him on the right path here. Dana, tell me about this car. How long have you had it?
I'm 36 and I bought it when I was 15. So what is that? 21 years.
21 years.
21 years.
That's a long time.
It's almost old enough to drink.
But you drove this car before.
I drove this until I was 19, and this car has been nothing. It's been a lot of heartaches, blood, sweat, and tears. I'll tell you that. I've got the engine rebuilt and got messed over on it. If I can name all the thousands of dollars that got poured down the drain on this thing.
Yeah, that's not uncommon.
Oh yeah, somebody's like, oh yeah, I'll do this, and then they take it apart, and then it's not done. So,
well, hopefully, I can see more progress on this soon. I know you want to get it together, and you said you have to get it together to move.
oh yeah.
But you know, things are coming along. It's just, you know, you got to fight with pieces and kind of tell them what you want them to do instead of being nice to them.
Yeah, that's right. That's exactly right. And never pay up front. Never pay up front. That's where I learned my lesson.
Yeah. Well, like I said, he's making progress on it, and looking forward to seeing more. And it's always nice to get in touch with somebody who's working on these cars. I know people always watch the videos, and I never actually get to talk to people. You know, it's just me talking to the camera or talking to the car and pointing at things, but it's nice to actually get out here and talk to one of the subscribers and hopefully give them some good advice. And I think that's it. So
I appreciate you coming by. I mean, I
Certainly.
enjoy your videos, and I enjoy your company as well.
Yep.
He's a good guy in person, guys, too.
Well, I appreciate
He didn't
that.
pay me to say that either.
Well, I appreciate that, and that'll be it for today. So, as usual, thanks for watching. Throw a thumbs up on there, and like and subscribe, and take care of yourselves. We'll see you later. Hey gang, it is Monday, May 4th, 2019. And this will be a little bit different video today. I'm going to make a road trip down to Zebulon, Georgia, and I need to drop off. Hey gang, it is Monday, February 4th, 2019,